Hi students, good morning everyone. Today I am going to teach class 6 Geography Unit 2 Land and Oceans. Students, the previous lesson we learnt about the universe, galaxy, solar system and our earth. In this unit we are going to study more about the earth on which we live. We live on the solid mass of the earth called continents. For example, when we walk on the Marina Beach in Chennai, we are standing on the landform, but at the same time, we enjoy the water form. So, our earth has 71% of water form and 29% is land. Do you know what is landform? Landform is a natural geographic feature that can be found on the Earth's surface. The landforms can be classified into three categories. They are first order, second order and third order landforms. Let us study about each type in detail. Okay, first order landforms. It contains the continents and oceans. Second order landforms contains mountains, plateaus and plains. The third order contains valleys, beaches and sand dunes. In Tamil literature, during the Sangam period, the land was classified into 5 types. You have already studied it in your Tamil lesson. Mountains for Kurunji, forest for Mullai, agricultural land with adjoining areas for Marudam, sea and its nearby places for Neidal, desert for Palai. Now I am coming to the topic of first order landforms. Continents and oceans are grouped as first order landforms. The vast land masses on the earth are called continents and huge water bodies are called oceans. There are 7 continents in the world. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia is the largest continent, whereas Australia is the smallest one. Apart from continents, there are 5 oceans located on the Earth's surface. They are the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern and Arctic Ocean. You know, Southern Ocean is also known as Antarctic Ocean. Among these oceans, the Pacific Ocean is the largest and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest one. Next, what is an isthmus? Isthmus. You know that a narrow strip of land which connects two large land masses separates two large water bodies. For example, Isthmus of Panama connecting two large land masses, that is North America and South America, as well as it lies between the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean. Now coming to the topic of second order landforms. Mountains, plateaus and plains come under this category. First one, mountains. A landform that rises 600 meters above its surroundings and has a steep slopes is called a mountain. Mountains are found in isolation or in groups. If the mountains extend for a larger area continuously, it is called mountainous range. These ranges stretch for hundreds or thousands of kilometers. The Himalayas of Asia, the Rocky Mountains of North America, the Andes of South America are such examples. The Andes mountain in South America is the longest mountainous range in the world. The highest point of a mountain is known as its peak. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. You know which country Mount Everest located in? It is not in India, it is in Nepal. Next, I am going to give some uses of mountains. Let us recall them. First one, it is one of the sources of rivers. Number 2, it provides shelter to flora, means plants, and fauna, means animals. Number 3, tourism activity is encouraged. For example, during summer, people go to mountain regions to enjoy the pleasing cool weather. Udagamandalam, Kodaikanal, Kolli Hills, Yerkad, and Yelagiri are some of the hill stations found in Tamil Nadu. Next, I am going to teach about the plateaus. Plateaus are the elevated portions of the earth that have flat surfaces bounded by steep slopes. The elevation of plateaus may be a few hundred or several thousand meters. Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world, so it is called as the roof of the world. The flat topped part of the plateau is called tableland. The plateaus are generally rich in minerals. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is one of the mineral-rich plateaus in India. The Deccan Plateau in peninsular India is volcanic origin. Some plateaus are found in Tamil Nadu. They are Dharmaburi Plateau, Coimbatore Plateau, and Madurai Plateau. Next, I am going to teach about plains. Plains are the flat and relatively low-lying lands. Plains are usually less than 200 meters above sea level. Most plains are found by rivers and their tributaries and distributaries. Tributaries, what does that mean? It means branch of river. For example, Yamuna is a tributary of the Ganga. Distributaries means main river breaks up into smaller streams. These plains are used extensively for agriculture due to the availability of water and fertile soil. They are most suitable for human inhabitation. It means to live or dwell places. They are the highly populated regions of the world. The oldest civilization means human development. Like the Indus civilization developed in river plains. The Indo-Gangetic Plain in North India is one of the largest plains in the world. The plains formed by river Kaveri and Vaigai are important plains found in Tamil Nadu. Coastal plains are the low-lying lands adjacent to the oceans and seas. I have given an activity of the lesson. Complete it with the help of an atlas.